Hi, welcome to our channel. In this mouth-watering video, we bring you the ultimate treat for dessert lovers, our irresistible carrot cake with caramel sauce recipe. Prepare to indulge in the most delectable and moist carrot cake, topped with a luscious and creamy caramel sauce. You can support me by watching the entire video and hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. We are delighted to have you among us. My kids love this cake when the caramel sauce covers the whole cake. You can serve the sauce separately if anyone doesn't want to add it. Once you bake this delectable and affordable cake, you'll want to do so again and again.